In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to create a content playlist for your sign's Rotator. The section right here is the Rotator. It was designed to provide you with the space to display content using digital signage advertising. It's a great place to advertise your local businesses, promote events, display local photography, or use it as a digital bulletin board to inform your visitors of important notices. You can create and switch between multiple playlists for a single kiosk, so your content is always fresh and relevant. For example, you might want to have a playlist specifically catered to the tourism activities you have for each season, or create a playlist to promote all the activities connected to an event your town is hosting. All right, so to begin, let's head to our dashboard. So in order to create a content playlist, you're going to want to enter into what sign you want to create the content playlist for. We're going to click the Edit button, head down to Rotator. All right, and now you can see some previously made content playlists that we have here, but we're going to create a new one called Visitor Center. And in order to create this playlist, we're going to create the name there, as you can see, and then press the big plus button. So that automatically creates us a new playlist that's now empty and we need to fill with content. Now you'll see there's a little green star right here. That means that this particular playlist has been set to play as default onto this kiosk sign. So in order to set our new playlist to default, we're going to double click that and you'll see that little green star appear there. All right, so now that we know that this playlist is always going to be playing on our visitor center kiosk because it's set to default, let's begin by adding some content. So in order to add content, you're going to want to click the photo button and then just begin selecting whatever images you want to add. So we'll just go ahead here and select a couple. All right, so now you can see I have 2 images here, but you can add as many as you'd like. Let's take a look at this other playlist we have. You can see there's multiple images here. You could even add more if you like, but that's just the number we have inside of that one. All right, and so you add these images and you decide, hey, I want them to display in a different order. Simply just drag the image and drop it. And now you have a completely different order of how your content's going to display in your kiosk. It's always going to start chronologically from the far left side and just play through your list. And when it's done playing through, it's going to begin again from the very beginning. All right, so let's say you add an image and you're not terribly happy with it and you want to delete it. In order to delete that image, you're going to head here. Do you want to permanently delete this? You press yes, and then it's removed from your playlist.